Compared to a 4 to 5 meter long pike used in the English Civil War, a bayonet might seem rather laughable. However, these around 40 to 50 centimeter long blades eventually replaced pikes when firearms became more widespread on the battlefield. But how effective are bayonets really? The first recorded instance of bayonet use is found in China of the early 17th century. This early bayonet could be plugged in a rifle's barrel, and was primarily used when soldiers had exhausted their gunpowder reserves or couldn't reload their rifles in time. Types of bayonets range from the aforementioned plug bayonets to socket bayonets that were attached by a metal ring around the barrel, allowing the weapon to still be fired with the bayonet mounted, to modern multi-purpose bayonets that could be mounted on bayonet lugs and used for many practical purposes. When it comes to the effectiveness of bayonets, they were more of a shock weapon than a killing weapon. The French 19th century historian Antoine-Henri Jomini remarks that a bayonet charge often resulted in one side fleeing before contact was made, and actual bayonet fighting usually occurred in small groups. Less than 2% of treated injuries throughout the Napoleonic Wars were caused by bayonets. The American Civil War saw even less, around 1% of bayonet-related wounds. Bayonet charges were not intended to stab and kill as many enemies as possible, but to send them into flight. Many modern armies still issue bayonets to their soldiers today. However, these are used for a variety of purposes, as knives, can openers, to control prisoners, or as a last resort weapon. Now as always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video please like, comment, subscribe and become a channel member to enjoy exclusive benefits.